an array. So array is what? It is a, you can say like, so I show you one example of the array, then you coming to know that what actual it really means. Till that we have covered. Okay, we cover while loop. We cover the while loop. So first of all, I start with the do while loop, then I move to the array concept. Okay. In while loop, what it says first you check for a condition. First you check for a condition, then your statement is executed. Okay, so first you check for a condition, then your statement is executed in the while loop. But do while loop is saying that, just a minute. Hmm? The last program I have show you that you have to go for a Fibonacci series. Okay, in the while loop, and as well as I display you find out the Fibonacci series में देखिए तो previous program. Hmm? संगीता Fibonacci series देखिए तो
यस सर काली देखैदिले काली देखैदिले फिफ्टी सीरीज
देखिए दिल ना
यस सर
Okay, I show you. You can see Fibonacci series.
फिबोनाची सीरीज टा आउथरे टिके करि दिथान्ते
Okay, I will cover a lot of program. Okay, so I just forget about it. Actually, we are in the while loop. So first we start with the programming part of this by using of while loop. Fibonacci series is what? So I can say like how it is displayed is a very magical part. So first of all, we define here 1, then 1, 1, 1 plus 2, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 3, 8, 8 plus 5, 13. So it is adding the previous one. Okay, so 13. Okay. So 1, 1, 2, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 3, 8, 8 plus 5, 13. So it is saying that it is a Fibonacci series that we are using. Now, what we perform now? So here I display you one thing, how it is working. I go through this logic, see it carefully. INT A and B. INT A and B. So in A I store 1. In B I store 1. So A is 1, B is 1. Okay. Now what it is display first? The first it will display what? First it is display 1. System.out.println A. So it is printing you 1. Then again it is checking that B is less than 200. 1 is less than 200. Yes, condition is true. It is printing you again 1. Okay. Now when after printing it is 1, B is equal to A plus B. So what is the value of A? Tell me. 1. Value of A is 1. Value of B is, Rupansu? Tell me. Value of B is?
The value of B is 1.
1. So B is equals to A plus B. B is equals to A plus B means 1 plus 1, it is now 2. 1 plus 1, now it is 2. Now A is equals to B minus A. That means what? B value is now what? B value is 2. So A is equals to 2 minus 1. Now A value is 1. So A is 1, B is 2. The condition now check. 2 is greater than 200. 2 is greater than 2 is less than 200. Yes. Then it is printing you 2. It is our result part. Okay. So this one our result part. So 2 is it is 2 so gala. 2 is less than 200. Condition true gala. तब मत it 2 so gala. तापर मो GB again. B is equal to A plus B. So what is the value of A? Value of A is तो एरा वैल्यू केते अछि एडी देखो मु लेखुची परा एरा वैल्यू केते अछि एरा वैल्यू 1 अछि
आगे
बी रा वैल्यू केते अछि
2
2 सो 2 प्लस 1 हे गला केते बी रा वैल्यू हे गला 3 ओके सो नाउ
आगे
A is equals to B minus A. So A is equals to B minus A. So that means B value is 3, A value is 1. So 3 minus 1 is 2. Now A becomes what? A becomes 2. B is what? B value is 3. Clear? Now condition will check. 3 is less than 200. Condition is true, then printing you 3. Okay, it is printing you 3. Now B is equals to A plus B. Error value kete achi? Ke kaibo ko? Sangita, Upanshu, Ritu, Ayes.
So A the value wala chedi.
Error value la
3.
White এটা আমি লিখছি না এটা দেখো না
So
A value
A value 2.
2. B value
So 3.
3. Now 2 plus 3 B is now 5. So B value हे गला केते B value हे गला 5. Okay, now B is 5. So A is equals to B minus A. So B value is 5, A minus A value is 2. So A is now 3. So A is 3. So now comes to here. 5 is less than 200. 5 is less than 200. Condition is true. 5 is less than 200. So it is printing you here 5. It is printing you here 5. Now B is equals to A plus B. B is equals to A plus B. So A value is what? A ର value କେତେ ଅଛି? संगीता?
Yes, sir.
A ର value କେତେ ଅଛି? कौन अन्य मनस्क केते?
3.
3 प्लस B ର value କେତେ ଅଛି?
5.
5. So 3 plus 5. So B is now 8. Okay, so B is now 8. Now A is equals to B minus A. So 8 minus 3.
3.
8 minus 3 is now, it is
5.
5. Now it is 5. Okay, so here A value is 5. So 8 is less than 200. 8 is less than 200. Condition is true. 8 is less than 200. Then it is printing you 8. Now B is equals to A plus B. B is equals to A plus B. So now B value is, A value is
13.
A value is 5 plus B value is 8.
8.
Now 8 plus 5, 13. काहाको बुझा पड़नी? जाको बुझा पड़नी को? Any doubt? So now comes to here. A is equals to B minus A. Means B is 13, A is 5.
5.
13 minus 5 is now 8.
8.
13 minus 5 is now 8. Okay. So now comes to here. B is less than 200. 13 is less than 200. Yes. So it is printing you 13. So A is equal, B is equals to A plus B. Means A ର value କେତେ ଅଛି? କି କହିବ?
5.
A ର value ଅଛି? ନା A ର value କେତେ?
5.
Sorry, A ର value 8 ଅଛି. ମୁଁ चेंज करने देखो. A ର value 8 ଅଛି. So 13 plus A ର value ହେଲା 8 plus
8.
B value ହେଲା କେତେ?
13.
13. ସମସ୍ତେ participate କର. ଯଦି न ବୁଝି ପାରଛ ପଚାର ମୁଁ again repeat କରିବି. So 8 plus 13 ହେଇଗଲା 21. So B ର value ହେଇଗଲା 21. ऑयस बुझि पारनो?
आज्ञा सर
এটা হলো 21. So A is equals to 21 minus 8. 21 minus 8 ही गले कितने आसियो?
13.
13. So now condition is check here. 21 is less than 200. Condition is true. So it is printing you 21. Now B is less than 200. Okay, so I'm 21 print color. First I'm 21 print color. Then B is equals to A plus B. So 21 plus 13. 21 plus 13 is 34. Good. 34. Then B is equals to A minus B. 34 minus 13 is 21. So A value is 21. A value is 21. B value is 34. Now 34 check here. 34 less than 200. Yes, 34 less than 200. So it is printing you 34 here. Okay. Then 34, B is equals to A plus B. 34 plus 21. 34 plus 21 is now 55. Okay. 55. A is equals to B minus A. That is 34. 34. Okay. Now 55 is less than 200. Condition is true. Now it is printing you 55. Now 55 plus 34 is 89. 89 minus 34 is 55.
55.
Okay. So 55 less than 200, condition is true. Okay, so 89 less than 200, condition is true. So it is printing you 89. So here our condition is going to over. Okay, so 89 plus 55 is 144. Is 144. Now 144 minus 55 is now 89.
89.
So here A is your 89, B is your 144. So 144 is less than 200. Condition is true. 144. Okay. Then 144 plus 89 is now 233. It is 233. Now B is 144. A is 144. Now condition will check. 233 is less than 200. Condition is false. So we get our Fibonacci series. Okay. This is our Fibonacci series now. Any doubt or it is clear?
No, sir, no doubt.
Upanshu, Itu, OS, Pinky, बुझ
No, sir.
ଆଜ୍ଞା
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay. So again, I go to another interesting program. Okay, so in the looping, you are getting lot of interesting program. Okay, so all the thing I will display. Okay, lot of arithmetic part. जरा mathematics वाला हुआ looping बहुत से कर करेगा. हमें formula ऊपर काम करेगा. So we back to our schooling. Okay, class 3 and class 4. Like we find out LCM, GCD. Okay, so that also we display. Just a minute, I just store your program. So we will test it. Huh? दीटा नंबर सपोज 10 और 12 भीतर जो मल्टीप्लिकेशन रे बोले जैसे हां 10 11 12 in reverse order नंबर नहीं करेगा ना
हेलो सर
कुआ
सर मु ठीक 4टारे क्लास रे जॉइन करबी हमर एथरक पिल्ला गोटे बाहर पिल्ला पसिक बहुत डिस्टरबेंस करछि त सेत पे कि लेट करले आ सर पुरो नंदी 4टा रु 4टा 2 3 भीतर पसिया पड़िबो एथरक सी प्रैक्टिकल क्लास रे पूरा बहुत डिस्टरबेंस करछन्ती माने पूरा सीमा टपी जाइछन्ती
बाहर पिला कुड आसे केमति कोन
ए माने आम बैच पिला लिंक बाहर पिला को दे दोछन्ती लास्ट को मैम रागी की क्लास रू कटी गले कहले मो क्लास कर ताको जते थर बाहर कले गूगल मीट रे थरे जॉइन हेच माने बार बार जॉइन हबो ताको काटी देले भी तो मैम लास्ट को
सिक्योरिटी वाइज जूम इज द बेटर
हमर मीटिंग में क्लास करते छी आगुरो हमर आईडी फाइड नहीं
माइक्रोसॉफ्ट टीम भी बेटर सर माइक्रोसॉफ्ट टीम रे अलाउ करले जाई कि अलाउ हबो नल नहीं हबनी तो हमर जणे मैम ही नियंती 2 जण मैम नियंती एथिरे गूगल मीट रे
okay so Fibonacci series over I just talking about what कौन कुछ भी okay so Fibonacci series over I will show you the number so I display another program just reverse a number okay So I'll check you, give you another program, recursion number. Let me see. Doctor Branson, understood. Chandra Garu. ठीक है, बताऊंगा। is a reverse number, so we start with a reverse number. Okay, so how you have to take a reverse number? Suppose we are passing a 365 and we reverse it. So see that how we reverse a number. Check it. int 365 reverse equals to 0. Two variable we define. 365 reverse equals to 0, while 365 not equals to 0. 365 is not equals to 0. Okay, so when 365 is not equals to 0, condition is true, then what we perform here? 365 reverse equals to reverse into 10. So reverse value is 0. 0 into 10, now it is 0. So reverse equals to reverse plus n modulo 10. 365 not equals to 0. Condition true. Reverse equals to reverse into 10. Reverse value केते अछि 0 अछि. 0 into 10 हे गला 0. Reverse equals to reverse plus n modulo 10. Reverse equals to reverse plus n modulo 10. Reverse value केते अछि 0. 0 plus n modulo 10. 365 by 10 हे गला केते modulo हे गला 5 आसिला बुझियो छी modulo हे गला 5. Then I define here 5. So the reverse grammar story is 5. N is equals to n by 10. So 365 by 10 is 36. Okay. So we define here 36. Now 36 is not equals to 0. Want I can say. INT नीचे पर 0.5 को दे से. Load नहीं ले से ना. तो हमें define कर ले ना. 36 not equals to 0. 36 not equals to 0. The reverse equals to reverse into 10. So 36 reverse से कितने storage? 5. 5 into 10 कितने गला? 50 है गला. Reverse equals to reverse into n modulo 10. So reverse है गला 50.
अरे आउटर कहबो.
हाँ. देखा आउटर को. $365 not equals to 0. Condition is true. Then reverse equals to reverse into 10. माने reverse से कहते हैं 0 अच्छी 0 into 10 ही गला 0. Reverse equals to reverse plus n modulo 10. Reverse रही गला 0. 0 plus 365 modulo 10. 365 को 10 ने divisible कले मोर कहते रहला remainder कहते आसीबो 5 आसीबो. तो 0 plus 5 हे गला 5. तो रिवर्स से केते स्टोर हला 5 स्टोर हला. तापर 365 डिवाइडेड बाय 10 मोर क्वेश्चन केते आसीबो 36 आसीबो. तो 36 नॉट इक्वल्स टू 0. तो रिवर्स इक्वल्स टू रिवर्स इनटू 10. रिवर्स से केते अछि 5 अछि. 5 into 10 केते हे गला 58 स्टोर हला. तो रिवर्स इक्वल्स टू रिवर्स प्लस n मोडुलो 10. रिवर्स से केते अछि रिवर्स अछि 50 अछि. 50 प्लस नंबर रे केते अछि 36. 36 मोडुलो 10 हे गला केते 6 हे गला. 36 रे डिवाइडेड बाय 10 ହେଲା रिमाइंडर आसला 6. तो 50 प्लस 6 हे गला 56 बुझिला. तापर 36 बाय 10 36 बाय 10 एठी हे गला 3. so 3 is not equals to 0. तापर रिवर्स इक्वल्स टू रिवर्स इनटू 10. रिवर्स रे केते स्टोर अछि 56 अछि. 56 into 10 कितने ही गला 560 ही गला. 560. So reverse equals to 560 plus 3 modulo 10 3 modulo 10 ହେଇଗଲା 3 तर मोर केते आसी गला 563 ହେଇଗला 563 कोटी स्टोर हला रिवर्स स्टोर हला तापर 3 modulo 3 divided by 10 हे गले n नो वैल्यू 0 हे गला तर मोर कंडीशन एटी फॉल्स हे गला 0 modulo 10 कंडीशन इज फॉल्स तापर मो रिवर्स 563 अछि हमें एंटर करतले केते 365 रिवर्स हे के देखे देला 563 इधर रन करिवा देखिया थ्री मतलब से थ्री रिमाइंडर मॉड्यूलो माने रिमाइंडर 0.33 असले केते आसे 0.3 आसे डिवाइड होबनी जो नंबर थे से नंबर 3 डिवाइड बाय 10 से 0 आसे 3 मॉड्यूलो 10 हेले तम 3 आसे तो मैथमेटिक्स भावे बुझले केमति हो या हो प्रोग्राम केमति वन और की देख रहा हूं कौन केमति
10 को डिवाइड कर 3 को 10 में डिवाइड कर
programmatically देखिए okay so reverse number is 563 any doubt in this program
No, sir.
No, sir.
बुझबल ना आईटी में तो प्रोग्रामिंग नॉलेज कम तो अधिक है कंप्यूटर हां okay so I will send this program so it will not say okay so I will give you some tags. Okay, so I will send you in the group. Do it. So in the next class, I will again continue with the while loop. Okay, so while loop का और अलग program আছে और 4-5 program আছে. तुम आगे दूसरे करो, है ना?
प्रोग्राम